Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You begin by confirming prerequisites: an account on your language provider, a valid payment method, and a development environment. Once those are confirmed, open your terminal and create a virtual environment to isolate dependencies. Next, use pip to install Langchain and a lightweight HTTP client. This immediate setup ensures reproducible installs and security. You avoid leaking keys into global packages. Make sure to note where credentials will be stored before requesting, and you now request the key from the provider dashboard. Navigate to the API or developer section and choose Create New API Key. Give it a clear label tied to your project. When prompted, set minimal scopes and usage limits to follow least privilege. This reduces risk if the key is exposed. Copy the key immediately and avoid pasting it into shared chats. Once copied, add it to a local environment file or secrets manager. Do not commit it to version control. You finish by configuring the key for your code. Export it into an environment variable or add it to your secrets manager and reference that from your application. Then run a minimal authenticated request using Langchain's client to verify connectivity and correct permissions. If the call fails, check scopes, network rules, and that the key isn't expired. Troubleshooting tip: if requests return unauthorized, immediately revoke the key, generate a new one, and inspect logs to find misconfiguration or leak sources.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.